Okay. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Branson Cerakote. So today's the day we've all been waiting for. I'd like to introduce our drawer here, Miss Megan. She's from the Appleseed. She's kind of the one that let us know about the nurse that we're helping here. So we're going to let Miss Megan draw the name, and we're going to get started.
Thanks for your support.
Get a good one.
Tracy Hensley.
Yep.
Or
So
Hensley,
Tracy Hensley.
right?
Yeah. I think it's Tracy Hensley. So the ticket number is 368511. And Tracy will be getting a hold of you if you're not watching. And it's best to probably come in on Monday and pick those up. We've kind of got a crazy, hectic week. And I've just put clear coat on the guns. And so they're not going to be ready until Monday. I apologize. Yes, Monday. So Tracy, we'll see you then. And again, we appreciate everybody. We raised a total of $2,500 for this family, and we are super proud to be able to give them this. So thanks, everyone. It's pretty amazing to see what a community can do to kind of get back and help out everybody. And, I mean, she was a nurse through the entire pandemic, so she put her life out there for all of us. So it's nice to see the community step in and help her out.
Apples.
Got to get closer.
Appleseed.
Yep. All right. I don't know if it's her mic or what, but yeah. But she was just saying, I think we're having some technical difficulties, but she was just saying that everybody from the Appleseed, she's really appreciated, and everybody did a great job. And yeah, we are just super excited to help this family out. So yeah, so we'll be writing them a check, and we'll be giving that to them. And thanks everybody for participating. We'll see you guys here next time. And thank you for coming. I know that it was a hectic day for you,
It's okay.
but we appreciate it.
Thank you
So
very
Miss
much.
Megan is awesome, everybody. She's really cool. She's that's my daughter's teacher, and that's kind of how we kind of got to know about everybody that we're helping out here. I don't know, like I didn't want to say her name on here because I don't know if like they're okay with that. So we're just calling her the nurse.
Yeah, I think
So-
we'll stick with the nurse just in case.
Yeah,
But
so-
they're very, very appreciative.
Yes.
They're-
Yes, they're amazing. So again, thanks everybody, and we really do appreciate it. And you know, who knows? Maybe we'll do another raffle later if we need to. So we want to make sure that we help them out as much as possible. So thanks everybody, and I'll put pictures on here as soon as I get the guns done. I just can't touch them yet. I don't want to mess them up. So I'll show pictures of everybody what they could have won, and we'll show her what she did win. So thanks everybody, and we'll see you next time.